Morning everyone, it's been a while since we talked about the Traders Compounding Console. So we're now on version 2.85, only minor cosmetic changes. 2.85 since the last version fixed this trading box so it doesn't move around. It was quite annoying for some people when you're resizing the window, the buttons would move everywhere, the text would be all over the place. So we fixed it now, and that's the only update. The other thing we'll show you is the updated VWAP indicator, which you'll see here. And if you go to indicators, I will rename this, but you've got all the alert, just like before, but we've got more options now. The previous one was only anchored to, I think, a week, and now we've got sessions, week, month, quarter, year, so you can adjust this. For a lot of people who want to do intraday trading, the one you want is session, so it will update the VWAP lines every session, which is what we have here in front of us. And you'll see that for intraday traders, the VWAP lines are very, very useful, acting as support and resistance lines. And I'm going to show you here the trades that we made this morning using this indicator and also the DAX. So we're trading the European session right now. And here, I just want to show you, go back to some of the history. So if you scroll back, you'll see generally if we ever reach the top or the bottom of the second deviation, it tends to snap back. You know, there's also always an opportunity to get out when you're wrong, because, for example, if you've got in there and you see it's moving back down, you can get out at break even. Quite often when it does break through, always target the VWAP middle line if you can reach it. If not, then you can try to get out for a small loss or break even. So today's session, Monday, the 17th of March. I saw that generally VWAP was quite. I'm using this also to sort of gauge the general consensus. So today, everything felt a bit, negative. But we're under the VWAP. So this is before the European session. You can see when the volume spikes up. This is when the European session kicks in, and it spiked up, and you can see it went up through VWAP and dropped back down. Missed these ones. Once again, did the same thing, dropped back down. And when it went back up here, you see here, I sold here, expecting this to have contained it, but it didn't. It went straight back up, and I took the loss at the next VWAP line. So this was my stop loss. And when it went back up and went straight back down, I was thinking, okay, it's going to now continue all the way down here. So I sold here. Unfortunately, I was wrong again, and I got stopped out up here. This, you could have seen this oppositely as well. You could have seen it popped back straight back up here, bounced here. You can see it hit right dead on the VWAP line. Really good support. Short straight back up. So that would have been a really lovely long trade, but I took the opposite position, thinking that it's going to go straight back down. So you can see the first 3 trades were these ones here. I was using a companion console, so got into 3 positions and stopped out for a small loss. This one was more annoying because there were a lot more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, which were a loss of 6 times 424. 24 plus this was about $30 in loss. But then we reached to the top of the second deviation, and that's where I sold again. So I compounded into these positions, sold out here, and made all these profits. So quite a few here. And then when it, and I basically targeted from, my target was second deviation line to the VWAP. So right on the dot, we got out all these positions. And then I watched it for a little bit, and I saw that it went spiked back up again. And then it strongly moved back down. So when it went down here, I sold again from VWAP to the first deviation line, made a whole bunch of profits here again. And so in total, 104. So we were 30, minus 30 down, but now we're 104. And I took it the first VWAP, the profit from here to here, thinking, well, see these lines here. These were support lines, so it didn't quite reach the second VWAP. So I took the profits early. But you can see that if I left it to the second deviation, it would have reached all the way down here for double this profit. But I've got to play conservatively and just preserve capital. So happy with these results. I will think about trading this as well this afternoon if I get the time. Obviously, this afternoon after the US Open, you've got you've got a Dow, you've got the US 500, you've got Nasdaq as well, which are potential good candidates for trading. I will watch also for the DAX, but generally, at that afternoon session, you should be looking at the US indices for trading. So yeah, I'll put all the links in the video description box below for both the indicator and the Traders Companion console. If you are a Patreon premium member, you get these at no additional cost to your membership, but I'll also have options available if you do want to purchase these separately. So that's today's morning's trading on the 17th of March 2025. Speak to you all soon. Hey guys, another trade here, still on the Dow. So I did lose some trades. You see my previous trades. You see, this is the, let's take this off here. My short from before, made that profit. I told you about this one. And then I lost some trades here, which is quite annoying. But now I shorted from here, and you can see we're $240 up, and I'm going to. Well, I've got my stop here near the VWAP. We're close. We're reaching VWAP 364. I'm going to hit close all, and a little bit early because we are close, and I'm quite a lot of profit up. You can see 364. Let's hit that. Close all, and let's take those profits. All closing out. You hear the beeping in the background. That's closing out. All out. Nice profits today. So yeah, it's going quite well. Yeah, so just want to show you and share that update with you. Hey guys, I want to show you, we just closed out here and then it went up a little bit and then it hit down the VWAP where our take profit was. So I would have made an extra maybe $50, $100 if I had not closed early. You can see how strong VWAP is. It hit that and it's gone straight back up. So yeah, so now it might go for another. Let's hit this, gone past this deviation line. So next target is up here. So let's see what happens.